Hello everyone. We'll learn concatenate formula in this tutorial, and after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to master this formula for merging text or numeric. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So I have two scenarios. Scenario 1, I have two columns, column 1 and column 2. I want to merge these two text and also want to merge these two numeric. And I also want to have a space in between these two text and numeric as well. So this is the cell where I want to merge these two text and numeric. So I will use concatenate formula. I start with equal to concatenate, press tab, the text one, this is this cell reference, then comma, and if I want to have a space in between text, so I will use in quotation and then type space, again in quotation, then comma, and second cell reference, what's the second cell reference is C7, close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see the formula merged these two text in one cell and separated two text by space. So if I want to copy this formula, just drag from the bottom and it will apply for these numerics as well. Let's move on to the scenario 2. Scenario 2, I have multiple columns, column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at the end of those columns, so I want to merge all of these tags, all of these numeric, and I want to separate them by comma. So I will use concatenate formula, start with equal to concat. Second one, click on this formula, then press tab. And first cell reference, which is this one, comma. Now, if I want to have a comma in between tags, so I will use in quotation and comma, then again in quotation, comma, and second cell reference, comma, and again in quotation, comma, again in quotation. So I have to repeat this process after each cell reference. Again, this cell reference, comma, in quotation, comma, in quotation, then comma, then next cell reference, this one, comma, in quotation, comma, in quotation. If I don't put in quotation and comma, it won't separate those texts by comma. It will merge them together. So second one, another one is this one cell reference, then comma, in quotation, comma, in quotation, and comma, and last cell reference is this one, close of bracket, formula is ready, press enter. Now you can see it has merged all the tags within this cell and separated each from each other by comma. If I want to copy this formula for the numerics, I will just drag from the bottom and apply the formula for this one as well. So we notice if I want to separate the tags from each other, we have to manually type comma in between cell reference. So imagine if I have thousands of columns and if I have to type manually the in quotation and comma, so it's quite frustrating for me. So to solve this problem, the Microsoft Excel 2019 and onward version introduced the text join function. Text join function, it made our life very easy. We don't have to manually type the comma or space in between cell reference. So I'm leaving the link at the end of this video. You can go and check this video out. It really made the life easy. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.